You're about to start your order of operations quiz. You should have headphones. You can borrow a mouse. No calculators are allowed for this quiz. You should be spread out. Remember, there's no talking during the quiz. I can help you with tech issues, but not with the content. You won't be able to redo answering questions. You will be able to back the video up to rewatch certain parts. If you finish early, see my directions on the front board. As math teachers, we don't like to teach you acronyms or shortcuts. This particular acronym is one of the most popular ones in math. We don't like it because when you go to recall this information, your memory will take you to what is listed on the screen exactly as it appears. So we try very hard to instill the why first, and then sometimes introduce these added shortcuts or memory aids. With that, this picture makes you think that you need to start from the left within an equation and then look for parentheses, start over and then look for exponents, start over and then look for multiplication, start over and then look for division, start over and then look for addition, and lastly start over and look for subtraction. Is this correct? Choose from the multiple choice answers, and now this video will pause while you answer this first question. To further drive the point home, is 10 divided by 2 the same thing as 10 times 1/2, making this an example as to why multiplication and division are interchangeable and the only distinction is to whichever one appears first in the equation or the expression. The video will now pause while you answer this question. For the third question, what is the first thing you need to do when solving this equation? The video will now pause while you answer this question. Your teachers have taught you that it is very important to follow a step-by-step procedure when trying to solve order of operations problems. They did this because the questions will become longer and more difficult when you move into higher grades and higher math levels. With this little reminder, what is the next step you should do? The video will now pause while you answer this question. For your last question, finish solving this and provide the final answer. The video will now pause while you answer this question. You are now all finished this quiz.